Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Desktop tutorial. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss date and time tools. I'm just going to open Power Query Editor and transform data. So in today's lecture, I'm going to add a new file, text CSV file. We have adventure work calendar lookup. I already provide all the data in the second lecture, so you can back the second lecture and download the data and practice. You can practice on it. This is the date. Click OK. So let's gonna update the name is calendar lookup, and the date format, you can see the data format in here is date, so we are good. The first things, so I'm going to transform. From the transform, you will have the date. We can check the earliest, latest date from here, and you have the age and date only, years, month, quarter, week, day. So if you check the earliest, you will have, this is the 1st of June. It will transfer the whole table into single aggregate window. We can back from here, and if you check, go back to the transform. If you need to calculate the earliest date, so we'll have, this is the 30th of June 2022. This is the earliest date. We can also back from here, and it's going to go to the add columns. This is the most powerful bar in here. Go for date. So let's gonna add from day. It's gonna add number of day. This is the, you have the day name. This is the Wednesday, and the data type is text, so it's good. So let's gonna go from date and go add columns. It's gonna add something in here, week. It's gonna go for start of the week. So you can see from here we have the start of the week is start at Sunday, and then we are in here start at Sunday. You can change that. We have to wait to change the start of the week. Go for the gear icon in here, and you will have this, and you will have this is until sent window. You can change it from here. So after the date, all you have to put a comma, and then if you put one, so it will change from Sunday to Monday. So this one change from Monday, and the 1st of the week start at Monday. The start of the week start at Monday, and you can change it from the code bar from here directly. From instead of 1, you put 2, and it will change it to Tuesday. So we'll see it start at Tuesday, and in here you can check start at Tuesday. And there is a faster way. Go back to this window. From here you can delete the number. If you don't put the number, all you have to put just for the day, and day dot you will have these options of Friday, for example, what day of Friday. So the start of the week start at a Friday, and you'll see start at Friday instead of Tuesday. And also we have, you can go back to add columns. If you add columns and go back to date, and if you need to import any, this is the month, the start of the month. You will see this, the start of the month is updated according to the last column you do update. You have this, the December 27, December is 1. But if you need the last column to be updated with the same original column, so you have to delete this column and go back to the first original column, and then go back to date, and then choose this month and the start of the month. So you'll have, this is the 1st of June 2020 is matching with the same original column. And you come back from home, close and save, and you will save your data with the main interface of Power BI Desktop. So this is all you need to know in this lecture. We're going step by step. It's a long course. Please subscribe, leave me a comment, and see you in the next video.